In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Apvis V Subsystem 64.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows and simply search for the missing DLL. Just put download, hit enter, click on the first option. Scroll down and you'll find for the architecture of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Check for the system type and click on the download button corresponding to the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy and go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So I'm a 64-bit, so I'm going to go with System32. Right-click and then select Paste. And once done, just restart your Windows. Then open a Chrome browser again or any of the browser. Type Visual C++ redistributable for the second method. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click on the link that corresponds to your architecture or system type. Click on the folder icon and simply double click on it to install it into your Windows. You can also click on the repair button if you have already installed it. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.